The Galaxy experience has always been fueled by our commitment to meaningful innovation. Last year, Galaxy S23 Ultra empowered users to capture epic, professional-grade content. Today, Galaxy S24 Ultra will maximize your creative freedom with a wide-ranging suite of AI tools powered by an all-new Pro Visual Engine. Tara, are you ready to show everyone what the Galaxy S24's camera can do?
Yes, Hamid. I've seen posts that the S series is a must bring item for concerts. That's why, when we went to see band Tomorrow by Together, we brought along the Galaxy S24 Ultra to replicate the fan experience. See? Although it's a dimly lit environment and we were far away, with the Galaxy S24's nightography and spacesuit, we were able to zoom in to see TXT as if we were in the front row. And from up front, in the dark concert hall, we could clearly capture details, even their facial expressions.
Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with a quad tele-camera system, including a new 5x optical lens and a 50 megapixel sensor, so you can take high-quality videos and photos from afar. And pixels are now 1.6 times larger than before, allowing them to capture more light for brighter and clearer output. The telecamera on the Galaxy S24 Ultra now has a wider OIS correction angle to increase the steadiness of your footage, even if you're zooming in from far away. The next level camera of Galaxy S24 Ultra produces not only epic videos, but epic photos too. I wonder how the photo of the Mona Lisa came out. With nightography, you can capture epic photos in low light. The AI image signal processing of the Pro Visual Engine works with the new 5x optical lens to capture vivid, social media-ready portraits even from a distance.
The Galaxy S24 series has our best cameras yet. So we made sure that this epic quality carries over to your favorite social apps too. Our native camera experiences like nightography, Super HDR, and video stabilization are now available through social in-app cameras for Instagram and Snapchat. So you can take the same high-quality photos and videos in your favorite apps. We also partnered with Instagram to upgrade the editing, uploading, and the viewing experiences. You can even create fun stories directly from your motion photos.
We work with Instagram to develop an upgraded end-to-end visual experience. So every photo and video you take or view will be shown in its full range of color and contrast from the moment you snap the content to the moment you post. In fact, the Galaxy S24 series will be the first ever to have HDR enabled for photos on Instagram. We believe everyone has the imagination to become a content creator, and with the Galaxy S24 series, you will be able to create pro-quality content without additional equipment. We love helping you bring your creativity to life. Over the last 10 years, I've led a team of camera and AI experts at Samsung Research, where we developed several generations of AI multi-frame technologies that power the core of some of our most loved camera features, such as nightography, space zoom, high megapixel processing, and expert RAW. And with the Pro Visual Engine, we are making it even easier for you to get pro-level photos and videos, even if you just point and shoot. Pro Visual Engine doesn't just help you get the shot, it also simplifies photo editing. When you're viewing photos in your gallery, your Galaxy S24 will automatically suggest editing options, like here. Do you see how this picture captured the reflection and glare from the harsh overhead lighting? Edit Suggestion is recommending that we fix that. With a quick press of this button, Pro Visual Engine helps us to remove the reflection and glare as if they were never there. And generative AI opens up the possibilities of what you can create exponentially. You can realign photos and still create epic shots by magically filling the void. You can also move an object or person and generate a perfectly blended background where the subject used to be. Masterfully editing your creations for jaw-dropping results. We understand that with new possibilities for technology, there can also be concerns. That's why, with every generated image, we'll be adding a watermark to the image and a label in the metadata. And now, you can create and watch a video in slow motion, even if you didn't record it that way. Sarah, take it away.
In the past, slowing down an existing video required you to create each missing part frame by frame. But now, with the Pro Visual Engine, you can turn high-resolution videos into slow motion with a simple long press. It will analyze each frame of the video and add AI-generated images in between frames, allowing you to watch your videos in slow motion. Impressive, right? That's Galaxy AI at work.
From communication to productivity and creativity, every experience you've seen today is made possible because it's powered by an advanced suite of technologies. And it all starts with our latest AP, designed to deliver exceptional performance and lightning-fast processing speeds. Our state-of-the-art MPU is the fastest in the Galaxy series. It's what allows AI features like real-time translation and generative editing to run smoothly and efficiently. We've also improved the CPU and GPU significantly, which enables seamless multitasking and video editing. And across CPU, MPU, and GPU of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, you'll experience stronger performance for faster and smoother gameplay. The performance on our latest ray tracing module is 53% faster, making the gaming experience more immersive and lifelike. So now, when you game, you'll experience true-to-life lighting, reflections, and shadows, making the gaming experience feel realer than ever. We're working with gaming studios, publishers, and game engine companies to bring you many more experiences enhanced by ray tracing. Top-notch performance is one thing, but maintaining that performance is another. To ensure your devices run efficiently, no matter how you use them, we want to make sure to keep them cool. The Galaxy S24 series features a redesigned structure with a pop-up TIM, a liquid-type TIM, and wider vapor chamber around the AP to disperse heat efficiently and in two directions. This allows heat to be spread and carried widely across the surface, preventing sudden temperature spikes. So even if you've been more immersed in your game, your Galaxy S24 series will maintain the powerful performance you need. And performance is further optimized by Galaxy AI, so you can game for longer. The Galaxy S24 series excels in effective power management through its efficient AP and enhanced MPU performance. Couple that with a long-lasting battery, and now you'll be able to enjoy even more gameplay. Plus now, gaming outdoors is even better. The entire Galaxy S24 series features screens with a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. These intelligent displays detect the lighting of your environment and adapt automatically to help you see your screen more clearly with 3 levels of brightness and color adjustment.
Our smartphones have always been known for their bold aesthetics and durable designs. And Galaxy S24 Ultra is our most durable smartphone yet. For the first time ever, we're harnessing the power of titanium to give Galaxy S24 Ultra a super premium feel and durability. It's Samsung Galaxy's toughest metal yet, with higher corrosion resistance, yield strength, and hardness. We also made the device thinner to fit better in the contours of your hand. Replaced the front edge display with a flatter one for writing with the S Pen. The display has evenly designed bezels, it's more vivid and more visible, and it's more durable. Galaxy S24 Ultra is iconic, and Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus bring a one-mass design, creating a cohesive look that seamlessly combines the display with a durable armor aluminum frame. With a range of gender-neutral colors inspired by nature, our Galaxy S24 series redefines durability and style. This series is a testament to resilience, sophistication, and Samsung's cutting-edge innovation. And it contributes to our vision of a sustainable future. The Galaxy experience is designed to empower you while seamlessly fitting into your lifestyle. And now, with the incredible power of Galaxy AI, the Galaxy experience is reaching new heights, with all new ways to connect, create, and play. The Galaxy S24 series will be available for pre-order starting today. Pricing starts at $799, with the S24 Plus at $999, and S24 Ultra at $1,299. Galaxy S23 FE is available from $599, and S23 will be available from $699 in the US.